Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Goonigan channel. So today we are putting on the Baja Designs Sport Light. I already got the stock one taken off. It's pretty simple. You got 2 bolts up there, 1 bolt down there, and then you take off the 2 bolts on the side. So we're gonna get on and go now with this. Alright guys, so when installing the light, comes with a little rectifier right here. Looks like it's got the plug for the light, and then a little harness to plug into the factory one. What I've found to work the easiest is to put on the white one for your power, which is gonna be yellow, and then white's gonna be the ground. So for the power, the white is going to be just your standard headlight, where the yellow on the factory one up here is going to be for the high beam. So what I find best to do is to put on the white one. That way when the bike is on, it's just on all the time, rather than having to flip on the high beam. Alright guys, so we got mocked up right now. So what I ended up doing was, when we removed the factory block, here I'll show you. When we removed the whole factory headlight assembly, there's like these mounts behind it that like swivel on the forks. I'm not taking off the forks right now. So what I ended up doing is putting the medium spacer. It's not gonna fit on the factory, since we have the wire harness right here. That guy just kind of gets in the way. So these are the large spacers. I ended up using the medium ones, but I got mocked up. Dude, it looks so good. Here, I'll give you guys a little test right here. Look at this. Dude, let there be light. So yeah, I'm gonna start buttoning this up, kind of making it official, and then Alright, so there you guys go. So that is the final install. It was honestly pretty easy. Again, on the factory one, you have the 2 bolts on the side here, and then you have the 1 bolt right there. Alright, so there you guys go. So that's final installation. Again, it was pretty easy. It comes with the instruction manual. I ended up just reading it just for the extensions, because I started to mock it up. I was like, it's not gonna fit. So yeah, Dude, it looks so good. Cleans up the bike. It makes it look like a new bike now. So yeah, so that's that. I ended up wrapping up the harness for the headlight into the factory harness underneath. I'll find a mounting spot for this someday, but for right now I think it's okay just floating around right there. So yeah, honestly guys, it looks so good. Give you guys another test right here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, looks so good. And you can tell from up front. But yeah, absolutely amazing. I'll be posting a video later down the road for review. I kind of want to give like some time on it. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.